Hello everyone, welcome to Masterclass. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Word or MS Word. A word processor is a computer program that allows you to create, edit and produce text documents, such as letters. Microsoft Word is a word processor created by Microsoft. The first version of Microsoft Word was released in 1983. Microsoft Word is often called simply Word or MS Word. Let us understand about Word's graphical user interface. Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is located all the way to the left on the title bar. It contains frequently used commands and can be customized using the drop-down menu. The next one is Ribbon. The ribbon has a number of tabs, each of which contains buttons, which are organized into groups. The ribbon contains all of the tools that you use to interact with your Microsoft Word file. It is located towards the top of the window underneath the title bar. Tabs. These appear across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands. Home, Insert, Page Layout are examples of ribbon tabs. Title bar. This lies in the middle, and at the top of the window. Title bar shows the program and document titles. Rulers. Word has two rulers, a horizontal ruler and a vertical ruler. The horizontal ruler appears just beneath the ribbon and is used to set margins and tab stops. The vertical ruler appears on the left edge of the Word window and is used to gauge the vertical position of elements on the page. The tab selector. Tab selector is located above the vertical ruler on the left. Hover the mouse over the tab selector to see the name of the active tab stop. The launcher is a small downward pointing arrow located in the bottom right corner of individual groups or boxes on the ribbon. Examples of groups with a Dialog Box Launcher include the font and number groups on the Home tab. View buttons. The group of 3 buttons located to the left of the zoom control, near the bottom of the screen, lets you switch through the word's various document views. Zoom control. Zoom control lets you zoom in for a closer look at your text. The zoom control consists of a slider that you can slide left or right to zoom in or out. You can click the plus buttons to increase or decrease the zoom factor. Document area. This is the area where you type. The flashing vertical bar is called the insertion point, and it represents the location where text will appear when you type. Status bar. This displays the document information as well as the insertion point location. From left to right, this bar contains the total number of pages and words in the document, language, etc. I hope you will find this video useful. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel.